Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any one thing. No man is poor who has a godly mother. The best way to predict your future is to create it. I laugh because I must not cry. That is all. That is all. Tact. The ability to describe others as they see themselves. I will prepare, and someday my chance will come. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. I have always found that mercy bears richer fruits than strict justice. All I have learned, I learned from books. Things may come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. I care not for a man's religion, whose dog and cat are not the better for it. Every man's happiness is his own responsibility. I do not think much of a man who is not wiser today than he was yesterday. It's not me who can't keep a secret. It's the people I tell that can't. The Lord prefers common-looking people. That is why He made so many of them. You have to do your own growing, no matter how tall your grandfather was. It has been my experience that folks who have no vices have very few virtues. You cannot help people permanently by doing for them what they could and should do for themselves. You can tell the greatness of a man by what makes him angry.